Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I've got this Breville Barista Touch here, and I just replaced the grinder assembly on this machine. It was just jammed, wasn't working at all. Here's the old assembly, and I've got a brand new one in there, so I'm just going to show you that it works. I'm just going to grind a little coffee and just show you it in my hand. Oops, my bad. Should be enough. So it can get more fine than this. As you saw, it was kind of on a medium grind setting. Sorry, it's not focused. Here we go. Yeah, this is kind of a medium grind setting, but it can go finer and it can also go coarser. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching.